How to fix Spotify glitch. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications, and here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search just for Spotify, and when you found Spotify, just go directly to storage. And on storage, go to clear data, click OK, and now you have to go back and click on first stop and click OK. And the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another video.